Welcome to Texas Law Encounters, your home for raw police footage. Consider subscribing to the channel and leave your comments below. Remember, all suspects are innocent until proven guilty, and as always, enjoy the video. On April 29th, officers with the Metro Transit Authority were dispatched to a train platform over reports that a hobo had kicked out the window on a train, causing $1,500 in damages. This is why we can't have nice things.
We're out on the middle. Hey, hey there, turn around.
Did you break the window, man?
You stole something, break a bus window, my man?
No, I mean we got footage we're gonna pull. So
Yeah.
so you did it? Okay.
What's your name, man?
What's your name?
Do you have ID? Do you have any kind of identification? No.
All right, come here. I'm gonna pat you down. I'm gonna sit in the back of my shop right now. You got any weapons, any drugs, anything on you?
Anything else? No weapons? Knives? Anything like that?
Where's the food? Left or right?
Is it this? All right. I'm gonna leave it for now, but we're taking it out in a little bit. Yeah, Johnson. Let's bring them back to the platform.
Hey, man, it's Officer Luna, Metro Police. Hey, for that LRB that was...
Do you have ID or anything? What's up, man? Do you have ID? No ID? Do you know your name?
Yeah, he's giving his name, Powers.
What's the date of birth, Mr. Ford?
Hey, can you run him? Just see if there's anything, and then we're gonna go check on the train.
Yes, ma'am.
Hi, I was trying to look for the damaged train.
He just left.
Okay. Why did... I mean, I thought they were holding it here. We already got the
held it here, and we saw y'all go over there, and then we saw y'all went down there, so we didn't know if y'all was...
We got the suspect that just damaged the train, so that's why we needed to see the damage.
Want me
That
to
way
come
I
and hold
can-
it?
Yes.
I got pictures.
Can we see it? Do we know how much the damage is? I called real
They can
earlier.
call an LRV maintenance supervisor to, you can just scroll. So it's coming out. He hit it from the inside.
Okay.
He hit it from the total inside because that is pushed out from whatever he used. You see it impacted there and it shattered, and then...
Is it two separate panels?
No,
Or is that the
it's just one whole
That's-
one.
is that the
Yeah, it just got a little
That's
line
the
in
round.
because they wrapped it. But if you see on the outside, like you can see in the train.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then he damaged all these headphones. So I was finna take pictures. If you wanted them to hold the train, I can tell them. Or is this okay? Or you want me to send these to your email?
If that's all the damage, it should be okay.
I'll take these pictures and then I'm gonna come over there and I'm gonna send it to your email.
Okay, thank you so much.
Are you good for me to depart?
All right, Daniel, we're gonna take you out for a second. We just gotta search your pockets and stuff. All right? Cool.
Can I get my money back?
Yeah, you're gonna get everything back. We're going to the jail, and they're gonna put it on a card. All right?
I don't want it on no card.
All right, you gotta talk to the
Because
jail
every
about
time
that.
I get on the card, I don't never get it back. I don't want my money on no card.
All right, you gotta talk to the jail about that. All right?
I don't want my money on no
All
card.
right, step out. Physical.
This is search incident to arrest.
I don't want my money on no card because it ain't gonna come back to me. Every time I put money on it, money will never come back.
Okay, McCoy, when you get to the jail, let them know that.
All right,
Because-
then.
Okay, hold on. After I search it, because we don't have any control over how they process money.
need to put it down. I can't grab.
Back
Bring him to the. Just bring him to the front. Okay, face the hood of the car.
See, I got your money right here before I can go with it.
Can I have my cush back?
I have to push back.
Switch sides, son. I got it, don't worry, it's right there.
How am I gonna get my money back?
That's when you're in the jail. You gotta talk to people in the jail.
"23-year-old Daniel McCoy was arrested on one misdemeanor charge of criminal mischief. If convicted, he could face up to a year behind bars. Look on the bright side. If he does go to jail for a year, it will give him plenty of time to spend his money, whether they put it on a card or don't."
Do you want another pair of pants on this or no? Do you want to go to jail in style or no?
Sure, why not?
What's your Red Bull?
Oh, I know. I
All units
Finish it
clear
up.
traffic control as per game.
Thanks for watching Texas Law Encounters. Your support makes this possible. If you want to see more police interactions, subscribe to the channel or become a member to get early access to new videos. See y'all in the next one.